Sometimes we don't have enough time in the day, and our devices just can't seem to keep up. Do you also often feel troubled by the messy charging lines? Now, let us introduce you to Kaka wireless charger. A brand new 4-in-1 wireless charger. Liberate your charging experience. Intelligent recognition of the moving coil, automatic induction, and accurate charging. Safer for your charging. Fast charging, saving time and effort. Applicable to multiple scenarios. One charge solves all problems. Enjoy charging anytime, anywhere. No need to plug in. Just place the device and enjoy fast charging. Enjoy wireless convenience and say goodbye to charging troubles.